Step 1. Use a hydraulic jack to raise the weight off the cross slide assembly. Step 2. Loosen the locking handles and tap the center stud with a plastic hammer. Step 3. Loosen the lock nut and set screw and remove the hand wheel. Step 4. Remove the slide shafts and remove all burrs and resurface the shaft to a clean, smooth, polished surface, or replace with a new shaft. Step 5. Coat the shaft with never seize and reinstall the shaft through the support, cross slide block, and the 3 locking studs. The shaft must move freely inside the cross slide block before reassembling. Retighten the nuts at the end of the locking studs to lock shaft in place. Step 6. Reinstall the hand wheels by snugging to the flat located on the set screw shaft. Then, torque the set screw to 70 inch-pounds. Step 7. Lower the jack and test the cross slide assembly through the full range of motion. If binding occurs, watch the video on adjusting the cross slide assembly.